I'm Andrew from Cunningham's and welcome to Ohana here at Collaroy. As you can see behind me, there is so much going on. Not only is the project ahead of schedule, but we've laid the basement slabs and we're now pouring the ground floor slabs. So it's great to see this vision finally come to life. Every day it's feeling more like home, and Ohana Collaroy really captures those modern design features with that relaxed contemporary Northern Beaches lifestyle we all love. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, now's the perfect time to make a move. Come and see us down at our display suite or get in contact and we can run you through all the different fixtures and fittings and imagine yourself living in this paradise. I'm Andrew from Cunningham's. Look forward to hearing from you soon.